Want to share files on Google Drive? Google Drive makes it easy to share documents, photos, videos, and folders with other people for viewing, commenting, or editing. In this guide, I'll show you how to share files on Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all of your stored files and folders. Next, locate the file or folder you want to share. You can browse through your drive or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found it, click the item and select Share. Now choose how you'd like to share the file. You can enter one or more email addresses to share it with specific people, or you can copy a shareable link. Using email invitations gives you more control over exactly who can access the file. Before sending the invitation or sharing the link, choose the appropriate permission level. You can allow people to view, comment on, or edit the file depending on what you want them to do. Selecting the correct permission helps protect your files while enabling collaboration. Finally, click Send if you're sharing by email, or paste the copied link into an email, chat, or document if you're using link sharing. After sharing, you can reopen the share window at any time to review or change permissions. And that's how to share files on Google Drive. By choosing the right sharing method and permission level, you can collaborate securely while keeping control over your files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.